Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today, I'm going to make some beautiful keyrings. I'm splitting the resin into the 3 small cups. Pour resin equally. Now I'm going to put a very beautiful and sparkling black mica powder. Just 2 or 3 pinches of mica powder I'm putting. Now I'm using golden foil paper. Mix, mix, mix. Now it's time to pour the beautiful combo of black and gold and clear resin. Pour in resin one by one. I'm just speeding this up because your time is very precious. After 24 hours. Now it's time to trim these beauties with a sharp cutter. Be careful, maybe this sharp, cruel thing cut your beautiful fingers. Poor bee fell from my hand. Of this keyring in the camera. Now I'm using jump rings to tie them up with the chain. Here you go.